Decision dwells, pacing corridors, the window, the mirror, the door, never-ending string coils around scripted skin like a tattoo in a language I don't yet understand. With this ink was I born, the walls hang heavy, the clock persists, faster and faster, the night listens as the day falls into my lap. The paths spiral, bliss multiplies, Fortuna cries, treading roads unhappened, dried and burnt, wanting and forgetting, to nurture the dream, to hold the past and the future in two palms. Cards plucked from hopeful hands, light lingers, shaped by ash and sand, enlightening my room. The surface gleams, holding every seed in perceivable perception, translucent touch, encases every thought, framing sight beyond the threshold. I unfurl and contract, stepping forward by choice or the guiding hand, living lives unseen between realms. Palatable, nurturing, fires out, full cup, I'm here but not there, ever almost there, stretched out from edge to edge, tangled spiders, web of untold stories rewrite, I unfurl and contract, rearrange ever onwards, integrity fighting, walls built upwards, scaling like you were never there, lightning strikes the chord in my spine, standing tall among the restless, time ticks on like a persistent mother. The past gets longer and longer, with every inhale stretching back further and further into the future. Tales untold, generosity blinks. The eye sees what the internal earth truly knows.